Ooh, yippee. Atoblom. Sen bum och köpen.
Oh! Well, that's shocking.
Sorry, man. I didn't know you were working with a battery or something.
Not me, it's that shocking. I just found my sandwich I lost 6 months ago.
Well, we really need to get to the studio now.
Indeed.
Let's go. Hi-ho. Hi-ho. Talk to the studio we go. Hello. My name's Prof.Doorbell. And today we're going to be talking about meteorites. Do any of you know what a meteor is? No, that's why I came here. Besides, didn't you say you were talking about meteorites, not a meteor? Now here's where it gets complicated, my young scientist. They're really all the same thing. I don't want to be a scientist. Then why did you come? My parents made me. Oh. Anyway, there are 3 names: meteoroid, meteor, and meteorite. A meteoroid is a chunk of a comet or an asteroid. Sometimes a comet or asteroid may collide with each other with enough force to break apart. A small chunk of comet or asteroid is a meteoroid. A meteor is a meteoroid that has entered the Earth's atmosphere. And a meteorite is a meteor that can face planted to the ground. Make sense? No, not really. Well, I have bad news. Not only are there different names, but there are also different types. There are 3 main types: stony meteorites, iron meteorites, and stony iron meteorites. Stony meteorites are made of stone. Iron meteorites are made of iron. Stony iron meteorites are made of stone and iron. Now you're getting it. Professor Doorbell, the name kind of gave it away. So, we've learned the names, the types, and where they come from. But now I'm going to talk to you about some famous meteorites. One of the most common theories of the extinction of dinosaurs is from a giant meteorite. The meteorite must have been huge to wipe out all of the dinosaurs, but there's no proof as evidence of such a meteorite has been found. But the biggest meteorite actually found before the land in South Africa thousands of years ago, and has been called the Swam meteorite. It weighs as much as 10 elephants. Now, do you have any questions? Yeah, I've heard of things called meteor showers, but what are they? Very good question. A meteor shower is a group of many meteoroids that enter the Earth's atmosphere at the same time. Fun fact, do you know that around 3,000 meteorites hit the Earth every year? Most of them weigh only around 1 kilogram. Does anyone else have any questions here? Remember, I'm the only one here? Then I think I'm finished. Well, we've learned a lot about meteorites, where they come from, what they're made of, some different famous types of meteorites, and some other small things. Well, I hope you had a good day, and see you soon. Ugh, thank goodness it's finished. My foot fell asleep, and I almost did too. The only thing that kept me awake was this awful burning smell. What's that awful burning smell? Oh no! I left a 1000-volt battery in! And